Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing a pair of super cute, super hot, super sexy, whatever you wanna say, lips. Lips that don't talk but definitely pose like models. So grab your pen because these stylish lips are ready for their close-up. Let's start before they pout and get angry of us. Okay, start it. And there we go, guys. Our cute little red lips are complete. These lips look so perfect. They could easily star in a lipstick commercial. If you like this fun and easy drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.